Hi, hello dear students. Welcome to our channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, we are going to discuss the problems which are related to arithmetic progression is greater than or equal to geometrical mean. Arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean. The applications of arithmetic mean, geometric mean, the problems based on this concept we will discuss now. Let us have a discussion. The first question: if x belongs to R, find the minimum value of 2 power 1 plus x plus 2 power 3 minus x is, options are given, 0, 8, 4, 16. See here how to do this type of problems by using arithmetic mean is greater than geometric mean. See here, before that we need to learn some important points regarding arithmetic mean and geometric mean. Is the point number 1: if A is equal to B, then arithmetic mean should be equal to geometric mean. This is the first point. The second point: if A is not equal to B, then arithmetic mean is greater than geometric mean. Generally, we can say that greater than or equal to. In general, we can say that. Arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean. The both conditions we are applying there. So this is the important condition regarding arithmetic mean and geometric mean. So how we are going to apply for this? Clearly I will explain here. We know that since we have arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean. So for the minimum value, of 2 power 1 plus x plus 2 power 3 minus x, we need to consider AM is equal to GM. Geometric mean is equal to arithmetic mean. Here, this is I am considering A, this is I am considering B. So, arithmetic mean means A plus B by 2 only, no? Is equal to geometric mean is root AB. What is A comma B we considered here? A value I am considering as 2 power 1 plus x, B value 2 power 3 minus x, as we assumed here. A value is 2 power 1 plus x plus 2 power 3 minus x by 2 is equal to square root of A into B. A value is 2 power 1 plus x into 2 power 3 minus x. So cross multiply 2 power 1 plus x plus 2 power 3 minus x is equal to square root of 2 into square root of, here bases are equal, power should be added now. So 2 power 1 plus x plus 3 minus x plus x minus x get cancelled. We will get 2 into square root of 2 power 4. 2 power 4 means 16. So which is equal to 2 into root of 16, which is equal to 2 into 4. So which is equal to 8. Therefore, the minimum value otherwise simply the minimum of 2 power 1 plus x plus 2 power 3 minus x is 8. This is the first method which I explained by using arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean. The same question we will do by maxima and minima concept. Dear students, here I am going to explain that another method. Please go through that. The method also we have to know about the second method, method 2. This is by using maxima minima. This is obviously method 1. See, in this second method, so they are asking to calculate the value of maximum minimum means the stationary points like this we can calculate now. So what I am assuming, 2 power 1 plus x plus 2 power 3 minus x. First this can be written as, this is f of x, I am assuming, because it is a function in terms of x. So a power m plus n means a power m into a power n. So 2 power 1 into 2 power x plus 2 power 3 into 2 power minus x. We can write it as 2 into 2 power x plus 2 power 3 means 8 by 2 power minus x is 2 power x. If we are assuming that 2 power 1 plus x plus 2 power 3 minus x, let us consider 2 power x as y. Therefore, wherever 2 power x is there, you have to assume that y. So it will becomes 2y plus 8 by y. Here in terms of y is there, that is the reason 2 power 1 plus x plus 2 power 3 minus x, I am assuming that y. After that, to get the stationary value, we need to differentiate with respect to y here. Differentiate with respect to y. F dash of y equal to 2y derivative is 2 plus 8 into 1 by y derivative is minus 1 by y square. So 8 into 1 by y derivative is minus 1 by y square. So f dash of y is equal to, you will get 2 minus 8 by y square. After that, second derivative also we need to check to get maxima or minima value. F double dash, again differentiate with respect to. Again differentiate with respect to y. So f double dash of y is equal to constant derivative 0 minus 8 constant you can take outside. 1 by y square means it will become as a y power minus 2. So again x power n formula you can apply, n into x power n minus 1 now. So minus 2 into 1 by y square can be written as y power minus 2. That differentiation, minus 2 into y power minus 2 minus 1, that is minus 3. So it will becomes minus into minus is plus, 8 to the 16 by y power minus 3 means 1 by y cube. This is f double dash of y. So now for maxima or minima, f dash of y equal to 0. Someone we can say that it is a stationary. Stationary at. To get the stationary point, we are doing like this. You remember, dear students. So f dash of y equal to 0 means that is, f dash of y we got it as 2 minus 8 by y square equal to 0. So that implies that 2 is equal to 8 by y square, cross multiplication, 2y square equal to 8. So y square is equal to 4, y is equal to plus or minus 2. And here they mentioned the values already x is belongs to R, so y is equal to plus 2 only can consider here. Since the value of y is greater than 0, so you have to consider y is equal to 2. So then f double dash of y, when y is equal to 2, you can take. So what is f double dash of y? 16 by y cube, we got it now. So 16 by y cube. So wherever y is there, you have to replace with 2. So 16 by 2 cube, 8, that is equal to 2. So f double dash of value is greater than 0 means it has minimum value. F of y has minimum. What is that minimum value? How to calculate? So this the value of minimum, the value is f of x has minimum value at y is equal to 2. So therefore the minimum value of this f of y, we assume that this only, no, f of y means f of y is equal to 2 power 1 plus x plus 2 power 3 minus x. F of y is equal to 2 power 1 plus x plus 2 power 1 minus 3 minus x, that is equal to 2 power 1 into 2 power x. 2 power 3 into 2 power minus x means 1 by 2 power x. Wherever 2 power x is there, y we have to write it. 2 into y plus 2 power 3 means 8 by y, which is equal to 2 into y value is 2 plus 8 by 2, which is equal to 4 plus 4, which is equal to 8. This is by using differentiation, second derivative test, dear students. Here also we got the same answer. I hope everyone understand this concept. This is by using differentiation method 2. I hope everyone understand. Yeah. Thank you, dear students, for watching my channel. If you have any doubts regarding this, you can write to my comment box. I will help you. Thank you all. Maths with Panindra.